Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐴 with another tutorial whether how you can delete your designs from the Spreadshirt Marketplace. Well, while uploading designs on your Spreadshirt shop, you are also provided with the option to upload them on Spreadshirt Marketplace. But Spreadshirt platform limits the number of designs you can publish on Spreadshirt Marketplace. Here you can see that with the Star Class 2, you can publish only 200 designs. And when you click on this question mark, it opens a side panel where you can click on this link to read more about the star classes. Anyhow, go to your showroom and find the design you want to delete. Let's say delete this design from the Spreadshirt Marketplace. Just copy its name and search it under Designs tab. Then click on it, and here you can see that it's been published on my Spreadshirt shop as well as on Spreadshirt Marketplace. Now click on Edit and turn off this button. And as soon as you will turn off this button, it will remove the design from the Spreadshirt Marketplace. And then just click on Apply to save the changes. And when you go to your dashboard, the number of published designs will be updated right away. And after a little while, the deleted designs will not show up under your showroom designs. And this is how you can delete your designs from the Spreadshirt Marketplace. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.